Okay guys, this video I want to just go through setting up the actual clone itself. Well, the first part is to upload it. Now I use WP Twin, and from the video of buying Edge domains, just to prove to you that I did buy these free, you can see inside my GoDaddy account here. You got welcome Anthony, etc. This is a real account. I did buy those free domains. In total they cost me $64, and the reason for that is because you have to pay a 1-year registration fee as well as the actual bid price that you put in, or the buy it now price as it was in my situation. So I've got CommandoSEO.com, which was a page rank 2, and I think 5 or 6 years old, I can't remember. This one here, SEOMarketingConsulting.com, was page rank 3 and 6 years old, and this one, DoItYourselfSEO.com, no page rank but 4,500 links. So I bought all three, cost me $64. Okay, so I'm going to use this one, CommandoSEO.com, and what I did is I set them up already in my HostGator reseller account, and you can see I've just uploaded the clone here. And if you do use WP Twin, make sure after you have uploaded the clone you click on here, delete the clone, okay, so nobody else can get to it. And that's it, it's as simple as that, it's gone. Okay, so now I've got the I've been looking at some other plugins and stuff just as a final check. Now what I do whenever I set something up in reseller account, I get all this information here, and I try to keep it. Okay, so now I've got CommandoSEO.com. all I'm going to do is go over here, CommandoSEO.com, I'm going to / cPanel. I don't have the details in there, but what I can do is take it from here. I will be changing these passwords, guys, so if you want to waste your time chasing it, it's up to you if anybody wants to do something with these sites. Right, okay, just log in, make sure everything's working okay. Yeah, save my passwords. There we go. Right, so I've got into the cPanel, everything seems to be working. I just want to make sure that I set up an email. The first thing you should do as well when you're doing this in your site, make sure you have an email. Okay, it's kind of important, it saves you a bit of time later as well when you're actually setting up the site. So now that I know all that is working, I've got my email in there. What I'm going to do is CommandoSEO.com / WPTwin.php, and I need, if I click on that now, nothing's going to happen because I don't have the WP Twin deploy file in here. It should be deploy.php. I don't have it in there yet, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to add it now. I'll just pause the video and add it now, because I've got over here on the left hand side WP Twin deploy file here. So all I'm going to do is right click and upload, because I've highlighted over here the public HTML. So this is the FileZilla. This is an FTP client, just in case for people who have never seen it before. On the left hand side is your computer, on the right hand side is your server. Okay, so I've logged in. Basically what I've done, you write in your host name, ftp dot your domain name, so in this case it's ftp dot CommandoSEO.com, and here for the username I put my username that I saved down here, which is Commando, and the password Elephant07, which I will be changing. Okay, and so all I have to do is go to the public HTML, right click and upload. Okay, it's as simple as that. But let me just put this in here. So ftp.commando, sorry, 2 M's, and here, make sure when you do that, like if you just double click on the word there, just make sure you come in here. If you do have any spaces, make sure you don't have any spaces, like it's hard to see in here, hold on a second. Sometimes when you copy and paste you will end up with the space after the last letter or the last character. Make sure that doesn't happen. So I'm just going to click on public HTML. I've already got WordPress installed via Fantastico on here, and very important you do that, because with WP Twin you need to have that there. If you're using Duplicate, or if you're following the videos for the free upload method, you need to do it the opposite way. You need to do it with a zip file and no previous WordPress install. With WP Twin, you do not use a zip file, and you use you install on top of a previously installed WordPress version. Okay, so just upload that now. Now all I need to do now is go and find my version 4 of the clone. So I just need to click WP Twin. Let me just find it. I'll pause the video and find it. And here's the WP Twin version 4. Just right click, upload. Now I'll pause the video because it will take a few minutes. There's about 27 gigabytes or something now. Actually 32 gigabytes in here. So I'm just going to pause the video and we'll come back when it's done. Okay, so that's now been uploaded. Let's just double check. Make sure the file size is the same as over here, so it's 32,959, 32,959. Come back up here. You got your domain name /wptwindeploy.php. If you're using Backup Creator or something else, it's going to be something different here. Now I need to pause this while okay, so I'm here now. I'm logged in. And what I'm doing is choosing the automatic cleanup options, which will take away the delete the clone after deploying under WP Twin script. And I'm choosing version 4 of the clone. Just deploy the clone. Takes a minute because it's 32 gigabytes here. I'll just pause and oh no, I don't need to. Just click here to view. There we go. Okay, and you can see we've got a floating bar and everything is here. Right, so now we've got a website that's got a whole bunch of plugins in it. What we need to do is go and check some of the settings and stuff like that. So the rest of the course we'll be setting this up from version 4, and from there then we'll go and get some off-page stuff. We'll look at the off-page options that we can use as well. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.